I want to show you guys that I'm playing Fortnite on my 2015 Amazon Fire 7 tablet, and I'll show you how. So if you're wondering how I'm able to run Fortnite on my Fire tablet, I'm playing Fortnite through Nvidia GeForce Now, which is a cloud gaming platform. Basically, you stream the game through their computer onto your Fire tablet. It works very well, especially since the Fire tablets do not have the specs to run Fortnite. So now you're able to play. The best part, it's free. You will need a good stable internet connection though. And I'll show you how to install Nvidia GeForce Now and set it up so you can play Fortnite. Let's get started. Since Nvidia GeForce Now is not available in the Amazon App Store, we'll need to manually install it. First, swipe down from the top and go to Settings. Go to Security and Privacy. And turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Hit OK. Now return to the home screen and open up the Silk browser. We'll now download the Nvidia GeForce Now installation file. I'll have the link in the description box. Once the file is done downloading, open it and press Install. Nvidia GeForce Now is now installed onto the tablet. You should see it on your home screen. Open it. Press Agree and Continue. Then press Get Started. We'll now need to create an account. Press Join Today. And again. So here are the gaming options. There's a free tier and there's a paid tier. The free tier has some limitations, which I'll go over. There's a limited amount of rigs available. During busy hours, if everybody is on Nvidia GeForce Now, you may have to wait until a rig is available in order to play. So sometimes you won't be able to just jump on and play instantly. You also have a 1 hour limit per session. So basically it will kick you off after an hour. But you could just relaunch the game again afterwards and repeat. Try out the free tier and see if it's something you like before using the paid tier. So fill out all of the information and create your account. Once your account has been created, you will need to sign into Nvidia GeForce Now. The next step is we'll need to create a Epic's Game account and add Fortnite to our account. If you already have the Epic's Game account with Fortnite in it, you can simply search Fortnite in Nvidia GeForce Now and start playing. If you don't have an Epic's Game account, I'll show you how to create one. Open the Silk browser and go to the Epic's Game website. I'll have the link in the description box. Press the menu icon on the top right corner and press Sign In. Then sign up and select how you want to create your account. I'm going to sign up with my email. Continue the process and create an account. Once your account is created and verified, press on the menu icon on the top right corner and go to Store. Press on the search icon and search for Fortnite. Select Fortnite and press Get. Fortnite is now added to your account. We can now go back to Nvidia GeForce Now. Press on the search icon and search for Fortnite. Select it and press play. You'll get a message saying this game requires a gamepad. Press continue. You will be able to play the game using the on-screen keypad, or you could connect a wireless controller, like an Xbox or PS4 controller, to your Fire tablet through Bluetooth. You may get a network pop-up depending on which Fire tablet you're using. I'm on the Fire 7 tablet, which cannot connect to 5G Wi-Fi. Just press continue and you will be able to play. You can see we're in line for the next rig, which will take less than a minute. If you're trying to play during peak hours, you're most likely going to have to wait to connect to the next available rig. This is one of the limitations of the free tier. So now we'll need to sign into our Epic's game account. You only need to do this once. Press on the keyboard icon on the top to access the keyboard so you can type. Once you're logged in, just wait for the game to launch. This may take a minute. And we're in. Press on the gamepad icon to enable the on-screen gamepad. And that's it. You can now play Fortnite on your Fire tablet. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks guys.